welcome back to my channel. Be for real. I am Brit. So first things first, subscribe. Don't be rude. It only takes a second. Press the button. Boom, you subscribe, you here. Be sure to also turn the notifications on so you do not miss any of my uploads. That is important as well. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Bforeal610. I love seeing you guys food pictures. I love seeing you guys recreate the recipes. They always look amazing. You guys do great. So today we are bringing you vegan fish and grits. I would like to consider it like a grit bowl because you know I had to dress it up, put some just egg in there. I had to put some sauteed spinach in there, a little butter scampi sauce. I kind of did my own thing with this. So without further ado, we are going to go ahead and hop right into the video. So we are going to go ahead and get our grits popping. And I know what y'all thinking. Are you really about to make grits using cauliflower? And yes, I am. Okay, so I'm putting this into our blender here. I broke my food processor. Moment of silence for my food processor. Okay, and pray for my blender too because it already got a crack in it. So here I'm just scraping down the sides, getting this down to a nice crumble. I did add a little bit of water to it just to break it down a little bit more, not to be mush, but you know, just to get the consistency right. Keep in mind I will have the recipe linked in the description box below, so you guys will have the exact measurements. Here in my brand new pot, I gotta say that a little loud for the people in the back because y'all was coming at me in the comments about my pot. So make sure y'all clap it up for me in the comments because you can't talk about me while I'm down and not clap for me while I'm up. You know what I'm saying? So, but real quick, I just put some onion and garlic in there with a little bit of oil. We are going to get our cauliflower together here. And I know what y'all thinking. I don't know, Britt. It's a lot of work for some grits that I could just put on the pot and let boil, you know? And I'm just here to say, what would you do for your health? Okay, I don't mean to get deep on y'all, but what would you do for your health? Okay, so here I'm just mashing this up just a little bit more to get the consistency right. I'm going to go ahead and pour in some veggie broth as well as some non-dairy milk. You can use whatever non-dairy milk you prefer. We're going to get to my favorite part, seasonings. Okay, so I'm just going to season this up with some salt and pepper, not too much. You basically want to treat this like you would if you were making regular grits. Whatever you put into your regular grits is what you want to add into this. So I am going to use Daiya cheese. I use the slices and I just went ahead and chopped it up. You can use whatever vegan cheese you like. And we're just going to stir this up, let that cheese melt down, and boom. Y'all can't tell me that they don't look like some real grits. Okay? But it's low carb and it's good for you. Okay? All right. We're going to move on because I don't even know if y'all feel me on this. Just let me know in the comments if y'all with me on this cauliflower grits. You know, if not, you can use your own regular grits. That's fine too. So our vegan fish substitute today will be banana blossoms. I will have a link in the description box for you guys below as to where you can find these. I'll also link below that chocolate vegan's video. She is a vegan YouTuber as well with dope content, and she has a recipe on how to make vegan fish using eggplant. So I'll link that below for you guys as well. But in the meantime, we are going to season this fish to the gods. So if I had to compare banana blossoms to anything, I would compare it most likely to artichoke. Artichoke has like that outer tougher layer that needs to be removed when you are using it and chopping it up. So that's what you just see me remove here. Okay, so moving right along, we are going to get our batter together. I'm using about a 1/4 cup of some chickpea flour or garbanzo bean flour, whatever floats your boat. And I'm just going to add a little bit of non-dairy milk to this just to thicken it up. This is going to take place of our egg. So instead of using an egg, I'm using this. If you have an egg replacer that you love, use that. You know, it's your world. So that's what we're going to do here. So I also added in some kelp powder. You can use kelp granules, dose flakes, nori flakes, whatever floats your boat. But that's just going to help us give our quote-unquote vegan fish that seafood flavor. So I'm adding in about 1½ teaspoons. We're going to go ahead and stir this up. Then we're going to add in our fish fry mix, and we are going to get this together. So don't let the banana blossom intimidate you. You are going to batter and fry this like you would regular fish. Into the wet dredge, then into the dry, and boom, you're done. Simple. So I know what I said earlier about health. But it was on my spirit today to fry these. Now, if you would like this to be 100% healthy, you can air fry them, but I did not go that route, okay? Forgive me. So before I show y'all how the fish turned out, I just want to show y'all real quick how I made this buttered scampi sauce or scampi sauce. Child, I just made a butter sauce just to get to the point. Okay, so we have some butter here, vegan butter, of course. I'm adding in some garlic, some parsley, some hot sauce because why not? And some lemon to bring it all together, and boom. You let that simmer down for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just bring everything together. We'll cut the heat off, remove it from heat, and it is ready to be served. Now, I know y'all didn't care nothing about this sauce, and y'all just really wanted to see this fish, so here it is. Okay, now back to what we was doing. So I'm going to kind of speed past the next couple parts because this is all optional. I just wanted to add a little something extra on the end. So I added in some sauteed spinach with garlic and some just egg as well. I did season my just egg with some black salt and then regular salt and pepper. The black salt is what helps it give that eggy flavor. And of course, y'all know I will not leave y'all hanging. I will link in the description box below where you can find black salt. And you just see me here plating our dish, because you know I swear I'm on MasterChef or something. You can't tell me I'm not. And then you see me with the drizzle, okay? I'm showing off, alright? Then I just went ahead and slapped the fish on like that right there. And y'all, why I do this? I'm hungry all over again because y'all know I already ate it. But I'm going to show y'all me eating it. But just to let y'all know I already ate it. So now I'm hungry. Y'all, let me just cut to me eating it, cause bruh. Alright, y'all, so I am all done. Can you see? Ooh, I don't want to tilt it too much, but okay. So I'm going to try it on camera for you guys because I know typically I don't eat on camera because I just be trying to make the food and get up out the way. Y'all, this is my first time making this. Me trying is going to be an accurate review, because I've never made this before. I literally just thought of it because it's like I see fish and grits all the time, so it's like, why not veganize it and then, you know, just add a little something extra. That butter sauce, amazing, amazing. Let's try the fish. Now, I've made this before, so I already know it bang. This is how it looks. Like fish, right? This is why I don't eat on camera, because I get real disrespectful with my food. I did it all together. Alright. This is so good. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here because I want to enjoy the food. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, you know, I appreciate it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video.